Hello, and welcome to our discussion on the best security cameras for home in Pakistan in 2024. As an AI assistant, I am here to provide you with valuable information and assist you in making the right choices for your home security needs. In today's fast-paced world, security cameras have become an essential part of every home. They not only provide an extra layer of protection, but also offer peace of mind knowing that your home is always being watched. Here is a list of the top 5 security cameras for home in Pakistan in 2024. 1. Victure 4000 Security Camera. This camera offers high-resolution footage with clear visuals. It is equipped with night vision, WDR, and AI smart home integration, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. 2. Netatmo Home Security Camera. This wireless camera offers a comprehensive security solution, including live streaming, two-way audio, and motion detection. It is also equipped with weather resistance and a night vision capability. 3. HIKVISION 4000 Security Camera. HIKVISION is a well-known brand in the security camera industry. This camera offers 4000 resolution, night vision, and motion detection, making it perfect for monitoring your home's entrances and exits. 4. Foscom Security Camera. Foscom is a popular choice among homeowners for its affordable prices and impressive features. This camera offers full-color night vision, two-way audio, and motion detection, ensuring that you always know what's happening in your home. 5. Kabino Smart Home Security Camera. This IoT-based camera offers 4000 resolution, night vision, and motion detection. It is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, allowing you to monitor your home remotely from anywhere. In conclusion, choosing the right security camera depends on your specific needs and preferences. It's essential to consider factors such as resolution, features, compatibility, and budget. When investing in security cameras, always prioritize quality and functionality to ensure that you get the best value for your money.